Hello, I am Nick the Tool and I've got a brand new product from Snap-on Tools to show you today. Now this product I'm about to show you, you may have seen it on some other videos promoting it. But what I'm going to tell you about this product will open your eyes as to why most of my customers are buying this tool. So let's take a closer look. This product is designed for cleaning the drains on sunroofs. So your sunroof, tilt and slide, when you open it up, sometimes if the drains are blocked, the sill and the lip will fill with water. The traditional way to clean this is to get an air line and just try and blow air straight through that hole into the drain and clear the hole. What it actually does is it tends to blow that water straight into the seating area in the interior of the car. So you don't want that mucky water going in on some of your prestige cars. Other issues that you might find is a car, particularly like a BMW X5, used to have some issues with the drains cracking. So the water would be filling up because of a blockage and then leak into the vehicle. Now, if you're just blowing the airline down, all you're going to do is blow that water out through that leak into the vehicle. Where if you're pushing this tool down, you can actually push straight through the pipe and clear the blockages out physically rather than just blowing it out. So let's show you how it works. We've got a semi-rigid hose in here with a leading edge. So this isn't going to kink. But more to the point, it's hidden inside this tool. So as I push this down, it feeds straight through this stainless steel pipe. There's a rubber bung at the end, so that's going to make a nice seal. It's also not going to scratch any of the paintwork. If you were to push this through on its own, what would happen is when you went for a new grip, the pipe would push back. Also, as you're pushing this down into the hole, it would try to kink. Because this is in this rigid tube, it makes the semi-rigid pipe a lot firmer, so you can push it right through. This is going to go all the way down that pipe until it pops out the bottom, so you know that you've got an intact pipe, intact drain, and you're now going to push all that debris out and the water is going to simply empty out of that sill around your sunroof. Pull this backwards by pulling the clip down here. This enables you to pull this back through. All made of stainless steel, rubber handle, nice quality product, and is going to do what it says on the tin. When it's all done, you can then use this bottle with some fluid in and just clean the drain out, make sure you've washed all the debris away. So instead of filling your prestige cars with algae and dirty water, you can do a nice clean professional job. Now I'd like to give a quick shout out to Dean and to Lewis, who work at DR Autos in Shrewsbury. They've got a great way of using this product. They've bought this tool for something slightly different. They're going to use it for feeding wires through some of those difficult places in vehicles. So you may be needing to run a new wire, and that wire you're trying to run is behind a dashboard. You can't physically get your hand to the rubber grommet or the rubber bung you're trying to get through. So what they're going to do is they're going to tape the wire to the end of this tool, and they're then going to offer this behind the dashboard to where they can reach, where they can see it, but they can't get their hand. They're then going to push it into the place they need it, force this through, which will take the cable through the bung to the other side of the bulkhead, and then they can pull the wire off. So meaning they can lace wires through vehicles in a fraction of the time. This rigid pipe is what makes all the difference. The product comes in a proper bag, and if you'd like one of these, jump on a truck and ask a Snap-on franchisee.